course. Here's a script you can use for your channel FK iPhone about the 2025 Realme Narzo 20 -- Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the brand new 2025 Realme Narzo 20. A phone that promises solid performance, stylish design, and a price that will make you smile. Let us check out what it brings to the table. Starting with the features, the 2025 Narzo 20 is powered by a new generation MediaTek chipset that is optimized for smooth multitasking and gaming. Realme has packed this device with a bright and vivid IPS LCD display that stretches edge to edge, offering an immersive viewing experience whether you are streaming videos or gaming for hours. It runs on the latest Realme UI based on Android, giving you a cleaner and faster experience with smarter AI features. The Narzo 20 comes with a triple rear camera setup featuring a high-resolution main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a dedicated macro shooter. The cameras are enhanced with better night mode optimization, allowing you to capture brighter and more detailed photos even in low light. The selfie camera is tucked neatly in the screen with improved facial recognition and beauty mode, so you always look your best on your socials. Battery life is another big win for this phone. Realme has fitted it with a massive battery that can easily last more than a day even with heavy use. Plus, the fast charging support means you can get back to a full battery in no time. There are also thoughtful additions like a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock, making sure you have multiple secure ways to access your phone quickly. When it comes to the exterior, the Realme Narzo 20 sports a refreshed design that feels more premium than ever. It has a sleek matte finish on the back that resists fingerprints and offers a comfortable grip. The camera module is now more compact and blends nicely into the body. The front is all about the display with slim bezels and a tiny punch-hole camera, giving it a modern and clean look. The Narzo branding on the back is subtle but stylish, reminding you that this is a phone built for the young and the bold. Realme is offering the device in a few new colors this year with vibrant tones that stand out but also look sophisticated. The buttons are clicky and placed perfectly, so you do not have to stretch your fingers too much. In conclusion, the 2025 Realme Narzo 20 is shaping up to be a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a feature-packed phone without spending a fortune. It brings powerful hardware, a stunning display, great cameras, and a big battery, all wrapped up in a trendy design. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a reliable daily driver, this phone checks all the right boxes. That is all for today. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to FK iPhone for more honest and raw tech reviews. Catch you in the next one. Would you also like a slightly shorter version in case you want to fit it under a certain time limit?